Hello everybody, how's it going? If you watch me now, which means you finished course number 3. So if you finish this video, I want to say congratulations for you. You did a good job. Like really, I want to clap for you because you did a really good job. As you see in this course number 3, we solve some problems together, around 45 problems. It's 45 problems, around 45 problems, because we said in the beginning of the course that we will solve between 40 to 50 problems. So we make them 45 problems. As you see in our 45 problems, how we solve, how it was our solutions, how we follow the algorithm step by step to solve the problems, how to connect the functions together, call them inside each other to do nested functions, or even we call them inside each other, how to build any program and break its problems to small functions and procedures, and we give each input and output specific procedure and function. It's like divide and conquer. You have to divide each input and output and give each one of them a different function and procedure. Each input and each output and each problem, each logic, process, math, wherever, it should has its own function and procedure. So that's how you think like developer. That's how the good developers develop in the big companies. They have a big program. They break it into small problems like functions and procedures to apply it in their program. So all the applications that you see in the world, the biggest application that we use it every day, like WhatsApp and Insta, all the web applications, mobile applications, desktop application, all these huge programs that we use it every day, they're in our life. It's about small functional procedures, and the developers nest them to each other and call them inside each other. In the end, you have, or you see this program that you use it every day in your life. So that's how you should develop. You see how we connecting each problem to another one. For example, when we were solving how to print your number, first thing we start to print it directly and write the code in main function. After that, we did for it procedure, and after that, we connected with another function. So we take you step by step. We take your hand and we move with you step by step until you build the big program and you can't face any problem in the programs. Because the developers all the time in their work, they just face the problems, and you have to be good in the same time. How to face a problem? By searching good to find the correct solution or the good solution or ideal solution for your problem. And these solutions of the problems, it will help you to solve even other problems, as we did in our course, as we did in our problems. There is a lot of solution. It was solving some certain problems for us, and we take the same solution, we change it slightly, and we make it solve for us new problem. That's how you should to develop. You should to break your program into small functions and procedures, into small problems. When you have a big problem, you have to break it to small problems like functions and procedures. So now what next? The next, it will be the course number 4, and course number 4 also you'll have some problems, you'll solve it together. So you solve some problems between 40 and 50 like this course number 3. In course number 4, we will take some problems from, not all of them, some problems from course number 3, from this course, and we will optimize it in course number 4. There is a lot of problems, we take it in course number 3. We can write it in better way, or we can let it do something else, or we can optimize it a little bit. We can enhance a lot of problems, optimize a lot of problems for course number 3. So we will take some of the problems of course number 3, and we will optimize it in course number 4. Plus, we will have a lot of new problems that belong to course number 4. And in the end of course number 4, we have 1 or 2 projects. I didn't decide it yet if we'll have 1 project or 2 projects, but it will be small projects, not complicated projects. It will be small projects to connect all the concepts that we take it from course number 3 and course number 4, to apply all these concepts and these solutions that we take them from course number 3 and number 4 in the project. So that was the video of today. I just want to tell you congratulations and what's next in course number 4, what we'll have in course number 4. And I don't want you to be sad if you don't understand anything from course number 3, or if you couldn't solve any problem, or your solutions is different. It's okay for your level, for your pace, for your information. If you are new or you're already in the field and you feel that you have new things from this course number 3, it's okay if you don't understand anything. It's okay if you struggle to understand some things, or even if you struggle to understand all the things. You could watch again the videos or reach me on Telegram channel. Personally, I will help you to understand anything you don't understand it. If you don't understand anything or you want to ask me anything, you could do comment under this video and ask me about anything you want. You want to ask me about some solutions, you want to advise me to enhance some stuff in my lessons, in my recording video. If you have your opinion, I would like to hear from you guys, your opinions. I would like to hear your views. If you don't understand anything, I would be happy to help you. And if you want to tell me something out of the programming topics, something personal even, you could say, I will be happy, guys, to answer all your questions. So that was the video of today. I'll see you in the first lesson of the next course number 4. Ciao.